O, diba? Dito na tayo mag-swimming sa bahay. Libre. Tubig lang babayaran.
I wanna swim. I wanna swim too.
You wash your feet first. And you wash your pototoy first. Your breath first. Oh, you shower here first. Before you dip in the pool.
Can I borrow your towel?
Dapat pang swimming suot mo.
kasi nagpapakanggali ako lang. Oh, more.